Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing our third practical problem in the chapter Income from House Property. From the following information, compute income from house property. Municipal value rupees 2 lakh, fair rent rupees 1 lakh 80,000, standard rent rupees 2 lakh 50,000, actual rent rupees 30,000 per month. Municipal taxes paid by the owner rupees 15,000 and by the tenant rupees 10,000. Building remained vacant for 2 months during the previous year. Unrealized rent of rupees 30,000. Conditions under Rule 4 are satisfied. This is the question, and now we are entering into its solution. Computation of income from house property. In this question we can see this house, that is building, remained vacant for 2 months during the previous year. It is a let-out property, and this let-out property remained vacant for 2 months during the previous year. It means during the previous year it was let-out for 10 months and vacant for 2 months. A let-out property remained vacant during the previous year. Let-out for 10 months and vacant for 2 months. If a let-out property remained vacant during the previous year, the actual rent received or receivable for the let-out period is the gross annual value. If a let-out property remained vacant for a part of the previous year, the actual rent received or receivable for the let-out period is the gross annual value. There is no need of computing expected rental value. From gross annual value, deduct municipal tax paid by the owner, paid by the assessee, and unrealized rent, we get net annual value. From net annual value, less deductions under section 24. First, standard deduction, 30% of net annual value for repairs and collection charges. Second, interest on loan. By deducting these two items from net annual value, we get income from house property. This is the format for computing income from house property of a property which is let out during the previous year and remained vacant a part of the previous year. ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ വാടക കൊടുക്കുകയും കുറച്ചു നാളുകൾ അത് ഒഴിഞ്ഞു കിടക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇൻകം ഫ്രം ഹൗസ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട ഫോമാറ്റാണത്. ഇത്തരം കേസുകളിൽ എക്സ്പെക്റ്റഡ് റെന്റൽ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടതില്ല. ലെറ്റേർഡ് പീരീഡിലെ കിട്ടിയതോ കിട്ടുവാനുള്ളതായ വാടകയാണ് ഗ്രോസ് ആനുവൽ വാല്യൂ. From the following information, compute income from house property. We are given municipal value rupees 2 lakh, fair rent rupees 1 lakh 80,000 and standard rent rupees 2 lakh 50,000. These three values are given to find out expected rental value. We know expected rental value is the highest of municipal value or fair rent, but it cannot exceed standard rent. In this problem, the property is let out for 10 months and remained vacant for 2 months. If a let-out property remained vacant during the previous year, there is no need of computing expected rental value. Therefore, in this problem, there is no need of municipal value, fair rent and standard rent. ഒരു let-out property previous year കുറച്ചു നാള് ഒഴിഞ്ഞു കിടക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എക്സ്പെക്റ്റഡ് റെന്റൽ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടതില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ഈ മുനിസിപ്പൽ വാല്യൂ, ഫെയർ റെന്റ്, സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് റെന്റ് ഈ മൂന്ന് ഐറ്റംസും എടുക്കേണ്ടതില്ല. ദി പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ലെറ്റഡ് ഫോർ 30,000 per month for 10 months. Actual rent being rupees 30,000 per month and it is letted for 10 months because it remained vacant for 2 months. Previous year 2 മാസം ഒഴിഞ്ഞു കിടക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ 10 മാസമാണ് വാടക കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Therefore, actual rent being 10 months into 30,000, rupees 3 lakh. This rupees 3 lakh is the gross annual value. Actual rent rupees 3 lakh, gross annual value. From this gross annual value, deduct municipal tax paid by the assessee, that is by the owner. In this problem, rupees 15,000 municipal tax is paid by the owner, that is assessee, and rupees 10,000 paid by tenant. If the municipal tax is paid by the tenant, It is not to be considered while computing income from house property. ടെനന്റ് അടയ്ക്കുന്ന മുനിസിപ്പൽ ടാക്സ് നാം ഇൻകം ഫ്രം ഹൗസ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പരിഗണിക്കേണ്ടതില്ല. ഇഗ്നോർ ദിസ് പോയിന്റ്. And the municipal tax paid by the owner was rupees 15,000. Deduct municipal tax paid rupees 15,000. Then unrealized rent. In this problem we are given there is unrealized rent. All conditions under rule 4 are satisfied. Rupees 30,000. Deduct unrealized rent rupees 30,000. From gross annual value deduct municipal tax paid and unrealized rent. We get rupees 2,55,000. It is the net annual value. After finding net annual value, deduct various deductions under section 24. The first deduction is the standard deduction, 30% of the net annual value for repairs and collection charges. Here, net annual value rupees 2,55,000 into 30%. Repairs and collection charges being rupees 76,500. Then next, second deduction, interest on loan. In this problem, there is no interest on loan, nil. Deduct rupees 76,500 from 2,55,000. We get 1,78,500. It is the income from house property. 1,78,500. This is the answer of the problem. So thank you.